Today I'm going to be reviewing the trim puller by Zenith Industries and showing you how to use it.
You know, I really like this tool. It does a great job. You put it on top, you hammer it, and just pry from side to side and it pulls it right out. Something that I learned you should do is score the top of the trim board, the caulking or the paint, just with a knife. Because if you don't, then as you saw before, sometimes the paint will get stuck to the trim board and it'll start peeling it up.
Alright, so I just got done using the trim puller. I'm pretty pleased with it. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It pulls the trim off. It really is nice. The wide base, or the wide head, really makes it easy to pry. And the little protrusion right here just kind of pops it out sometimes. But all in all, it's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Nice grip on it. It's like a rubbery grip. So sharp here gets kind of trim, and then it has something that kind of pries the trim out. Also this groove right here, I use it for pulling out some nails. Like sometimes it'll hit the nail, and you can just pry the nail out. On sheetrock again, it's big flat surface, so it doesn't damage the sheetrock. I just did the whole bathroom, and it didn't damage the wall at all. I just pried it right off. I've used hammers and crowbars to get it off, and that just digs in and breaks the sheetrock, and then you gotta fix the sheetrock. But all in all, it's a good product. 5 out of 5 stars, I think. I'll put a link in the description where I bought it, so you can get yours too. Hey, if you could just give me a thumbs up and subscribe, that'd be great. That could help me out a lot. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day.